Hi, good day to each and every one of you. So I'm back here now at our vlog today, and I would like to tell you that dapat marami tayong masimulang maganda. Especially, alam ko na marami ang namomroblema, alam ko na maraming challenge sa buhay right now. Pero you know what? I have to be grateful and thankful right now kasi you're still alive and you're okay, rather than other people na hindi na nakakabangon, hindi na nakakagalaw, and they're bedridden. So guys, you have to be always thankful and grateful kung ano man ang meron ka ngayon, kasi karamihan sa atin pinoproblema yung problema na hindi pa naman dumadating. Okay? So there's a lot of things na kailangan maging focus ka muna kung ano yung meron tayo, and pagiging grateful sa buhay, well actually dapat inuuna natin yan. Ang pinakamahirap gawin kasi most of the time, tayong mga, hindi ko lang alam kung Pinoy lang to, pero majority, kahit hindi po yata Pinoy, we are always having this kind of thought na the moment that we wake up, okay, when we woke up already, the problem is, ang una lang iisip, ano yung problema? Ano yung challenges? Why don't we focus first dun sa pagiging grateful natin? Why don't we focus first dun sa bagay na ano bang meron tayo ngayon na wala yung iba? Well, actually, napakadami niyan. Unang-una yun yung health mo. Napaka-okay ka, napaka-healthy ka. Kung hindi naman okay yung health mo, you have to work it out. But the most important thing is you're still alive. And habang buhay, may pag-asa. Marami sa atin, ang problema is yung problema kaagad yung bumubungad in every morning, every time that they woke up. Okay? So guys, dapat alam natin sa sarili natin na you have a lot of things na meron ka and unique ka and blessed ka. Every day is a blessings, every gising is a blessings. Okay? So kailangan tayo dyan, prepare tayo sa maganda pang bagay na ibibigay sa atin. That's my thought for today, na kailangan hindi tayo yung tipo ng tao na laging problema na lang iniisip. Dadating ang panahon na yes, may problema ka talagang malaki, hindi naman tayo perfecto, hindi ka naman tao na lagi na lang positive. Katulad ng panahon, right now here in Dubai, it's makulimlim. Pero ganun talaga ang buhay. Minsan mas hinag ang araw, and minsan mainit, minsan malamig. It's okay. Okay? The only thing that you need to handle is yung situation that matters. Kasi how you will handle the situation, it really matters. Kasi most of us, we're just focusing on the challenges and the issue. Yung mga ganun. O kaya yung boss mo, pinoproblema mo pa. Okay? So, let's focus on being grateful for each and every day that we have. Start the day with grateful heart. Yun yung message ko ngayon. And sana po lahat tayo magkaroon ng ganyang klase ng positive mental attitude. Kasi napaka-importante po lagi guys na ma-prioritize natin yun. Hinga ka ng malalim and gawa ka ng mo sa sarili mo. Siguro, I don't know kung kaya mong gawin to, pero yung tinatawag natin na gratitude journal. That is very important and that is very very powerful. So guys, yun lang muna for this day, and I hope you will enjoy the rest of the day, at hindi lang ngayon, sa isusunod na araw and every day that is coming to you, dapat grateful heart tayo. Okay po ba yan? Thank you very much, and I will go straight now to my other destination, and looking forward na magkausap ulit tayo. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye-bye!